never fear to die. Untethered flight of freedom, brave heart sweetly soars, visualizing all creation as he flies the sun-drenched shore. Fly away, little bird, let us know your heart. Tell us what it's like to feel such freedom from the start. Yeah. True example, exultation. Ooh, pure joy in God's design. Oh, that we exemplify your kind and love and mine. Fly away, fly away, fly away, you're free. Fly away, fly away, you're free. You're free. Sing your song in trills of love that kiss our mortal ear. Your melody of godliness, so sweet and void of fear. Fly away, little bird, hold me in your sight. Stay close in fading sunset, for I'll lose you in the night. Fly